Hello, my name is Deanna Talent. In this video, I'm showing you how to make this nail design that I call Melt in Love. I'm making my own nude, translucent, milky for the base. This color is going to be for all the nails except the ring finger. I end up doing like 5 coats of this color, even though it ended up turning more solid than I wanted. It still ended up very pretty. So for the ring finger, I'm doing 2 coats of this limited edition, I guess, gel, which I'm glad it's limited edition because it leaks all the time. But I'm using 2 coats of that, getting all of the chunky glitter. I'm using a fine detailed brush that I got from Amazon, links in the description. And I'm just doing a deep French tip, stopping at the cuticle. For the hearts, I'm doing 2 colors. One nail is going to have hot pink with 2 different glitter, a fine glitter and a chunky glitter from the same limited edition. And for the red, I'm only using 1 glitter. So this is what it looks like so far all together. For the fully bling nail, I'm doing 1 coat of top coat, my favorite top coat by Vito, so I can have a smooth surface. And I'm using different kinds of rhinestone. So this one, I'm only using the top 4, and I dropped this one, but I'm using the different hues of color rhinestones out of that. Third smalls out of the other one, and an oval from that one. The last smallest rhinestone from this one, but as you can tell, that's my favorite. It's so pretty. So for the rhinestone, I didn't like it at first because I didn't know how to use it. I needed to cure it for a long time because my UV light right now is not that great. But I'm just putting down the rhinestones, small portions at a time. Look at all of them together, it's just so beautiful. I ended up putting a rhinestone that wasn't formed, and I thought it was really pretty. It looked like a iridescent pearl. For the last two nails, the pinky and the pointing finger, I'm putting these nail stickers. Well, I forgot the name of it, but they are really cute. The only bad thing about this, to be honest, is how thin this nail stickers are. I have to put top coat on, so it's a small amount that covers the whole sticker, cure it, and I'll be able to place on a nail freely. Oh, and also the gold comes off easy. And for the rhinestones on this, I'm doing the same size, the third small. Alright, top coat time. So I'm using my favorite top coat so far by Beetles. I'm just doing one nice glossy thick coat. So I hope you liked this video. I know I did. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.